Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download songs on Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now decide what you want to download. You can download a song and an album or even a playlist. To download a single song, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type the name of the song or the artist, then tap on the song you want. Next to the song title, you will see a three-dot. Tap on it, then tap on download and the song will start downloading. If you want to download an album or playlist, open the album or playlist first. At the top you will see a download button or a down arrow. Tap it once and all the songs will be downloading automatically. While the songs are downloading, you can see the process on the screen. When the download is finished, the arrow will turn into a check mark showing that the song is saved on your iPhone. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded song on Amazon Music using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.